and cook with us. I mixed it. What?
I measured the dry.
Oh yeah. I measured the dry ingredients, and now I'm stirring them up with a fork. Now it is.
So what'd you do?
Wait, no.
Did you mash bananas?
Yeah.
And what are you doing with them now? Oh, put them in the cup.
Now we're going to mix all the ingredients together with the electric mixer. Now we have to pips. Now we have to put in the chocolate chips in.
Okay.
I love my apples. They look kind of a golden color. They look kind of a golden color. It's good. You should try them.